Similarly, we will wait for this method to execute fully. So what we can do here is we can simply say Firebase messaging dot on message, which simply means the remote message, or you can say the push notification message dot listen. So we're listening for the message, or you can say for the notification. So we will say if, as I told you, this is remote message. So if message is not equals to null, message dot notification is not equals to null, it means that we have received the push notification successfully and we have some data to show. So using a dialog box, we will display that, as you already know and you have seen it in the introduction video of this course. So we can say show dialog, build context, return, and now here we have to implement our dialog. So inside our widgets, right click on widgets, new dot file, and we can give it them as notification underscore dialog, notification dialog widget. Now this notification dialog widget will receive some parameter using its constructor, and that will be first of all the title of the push notification. Okay, so title text. Then the next thing is the body of that notification, that is the message inside that push notification. Either it is a text message, it is a file, or it is a message related to the files like .docs, pbtx, and so on. So we can say body, let's give it name as body, and then here we can say required this title text, this body. Then we can say alert dialog, the title will be title text. Then let's add some actions to it. So outline button, outline button dot icon. So with an icon we will add that. When the user click on this icon button, we will close that dialog box. Okay, and this will be basically the close icon with our dialog. Okay, so next thing is the label for this. So we can say close, and then finally the icon will be icons dot close. Then after the actions comes the content of our this alert dialog.